Welcome to the University of Plymouth. It is the Masters Virtual Open Day that this presentation is for, and I'm pleased to introduce myself. My name is Miranda Spicer, and I'm the Programme Leader of MA Publishing. The University of Plymouth has a strong record of excellence, enterprise and innovation across its teaching and research activities. The MA Publishing course at Plymouth can be taken full-time across 1 year or part-time across 2 years, and I will give you some information about the course and the exciting projects that students can take and be involved in across the time that they're here. Publishing is one of the most resilient industries. It's a global creative industry. Publishing is a subject that is seldom taught at school, so students are very keen to take our MA and to learn the skills that they will need for going into the industry. There are different aspects to the industry that may be of interest to them. It could be editing, it could be design, it could be marketing. I'd like to introduce you in more detail to the publishing team. As I mentioned, I'm the programme leader, and my immediate colleague is Linda Cooper. Linda is a lecturer and she's also a digital expert. Between us, we have many years' experience in publishing. Linda and I have either or both worked in fiction, non-fiction, conventional and digital publishing. And we each bring our industry expertise to the course, and we continue to work on freelance projects, so we're up to date with what's happening in the industry. I'd like to introduce Dan Chamberlain. Dan is a design and graphics specialist, and he has his own design studio. He tutors students in the magazine module, and he focuses on image and magazine design. Roger Lane is a production and print expert. He comes from the corporate world, so he is used to brokering with printers and paper buyers, and Roger can bring his expertise of print and digital production to the course. Lynn Clements tutors students in the editorial aspect of publishing. She specialises in lots of in-class tutorials and exercises, and the students find her teaching and her work to be very dynamic and interesting. She specialises in non-fiction primarily and is a very popular tutor among the students. What will you actually learn on the course? Your learning will cover the breadth of publishing. We look at magazines and books, but we also cover journals and different platforms, web-based, online, and so on, social media, digital marketing. We look at fiction and we also cover non-fiction. Children's publishing is a huge area. It's almost an industry on its own. In fact, the Harry Potter books that you're probably familiar with are almost an industry on their own and a publishing phenomenon. We pride ourselves in our networking and employability skills, and we have special teaching seminars and workshops to enhance these skills among our students. The modules themselves are listed on this slide. The International Business of Publishing is the module where we invite speakers from industry to come and talk to the students about their company, their career path and their experience. The Employability, Networking and Industry Placement module is where students are involved directly with industry and their employability is prepared for their next stage, i.e. getting a job in publishing. Creative Design and Analysis largely looks at magazine publishing. Publishing Process is the module whereby students can get involved in key live projects and can also play a part in the projects that their classmates are working on. Then ultimately there is a master's publishing dissertation for the students to take, or a master's project, and with the master's project comes a report. As you would expect, with formal curricular learning, this includes lectures, seminars, and workshops. Some of these lectures are likely to be online learning. So for this forthcoming academic year, we imagine a blend of online learning and some face-to-face teaching and seminars. The field trips that we often choose to take on this course take us as far as London Book Fair in the spring and to printing companies, and as soon as it is safe to do so, we hope to resume such trips. If this was an actual open day and you were able to visit our campus, you would meet a student rep. The student rep cannot meet you in person, but a student rep and her classmates have prepared a short video which can be played now.
Hi, my name is Abby and I'm studying for a Masters in Publishing. So after studying English for publishing at undergraduate level, I knew that I was passionate about the subject, and publishing is a really exciting industry because it's diverse and has so much to get involved with. I think one of the main reasons I chose publishing is because I love to read, but also because I enjoy being creative, and helping craft and create books for publication is what I'm most passionate about. So the course covers many publishing skills from editing and proofreading to design. The course is quite flexible as it allows you to choose which areas you're interested in and also develop your skills in those areas. The course also invites loads of different speakers from various parts of the industry who share their skills and career advice, which really helps. So the thing I have enjoyed the most so far is being able to work on live publishing projects. So I'm leading a collaborative project for Plymouth City Council at the moment, which is to publish the last book of a series of 3. So the opportunity to work on live projects is one reason why I chose this course. It offers the chance to get hands-on experience working with clients and gives you a head start when considering a future career in publishing, which I really like. So I think the fact that I can say I have been able to try out editorial design and marketing skills and can see that reflected in a real product is really exciting. I was a bit worried that it might be like being thrown in the deep end, but the lecturers are always there for support and guidance, which really helps. We get to use industry software such as InDesign and have access to the letterpress facilities, and the staff are always there to help guide you. I think MA Publishing is a fantastic degree because it allows you to be creative but also enhances your employability by covering the business aspects of the industry. So you get hands-on creative experience but also the knowledge that runs behind all of those processes. Another thing I'm excited for is the fact that we have the chance to attend London Book Fair, and as we've been given the tools to network properly, this is a really exciting opportunity. Overall, the course has helped me feel as though I'm ready to start a career in the industry, which is great.
The USP of our course is that it is an industry-facing degree with a high level of graduate employment, and this is achieved by teaching a combination of skills and the industry knowledge that is brought by the staff and by the associate staff. You can see on the right-hand side here some copies of international front covers of a specific author's books, that's J.K. Rowling there, and we look at publishing across the globe to understand the industry fully. The next few pages were originally part of a flipbook that was put together to show details of student project work. This spread shows the magazine project, and various students have chosen specific magazines in which to incorporate their own concept of image, type, and copy. One of the live projects that a former student was involved in was to do with the Mayflower commemorations culminating in 2020. This particular student discussed her Mayflower project at a job interview, and she went straight into a job in magazines. She works on these magazines that are shown on the right-hand side of the slide. Some of the companies our students have secure work placements and careers in are listed to the left-hand side and include Oxford University Press, Bloomsbury, Nosy Crow, Penguin, and Future Publishing. In terms of the master's dissertation or the project report, as mentioned earlier, the students can choose whether they would like to complete a dissertation or a project report, and the tutors will guide and supervise throughout. We enjoy inviting local authors and also authors from far and wide and illustrators to come and talk to students. The Wonky Donkey is a children's book that was a big hit in Australia and New Zealand and then became a huge hit in the UK. And the illustrator lives near our university, and we love having her coming to talk to students. This is one of the assessed projects that a student was involved in, and it is a collaboration with our English department and our illustration students. Here is another project which is celebrating the work of school children in terms of commemorating the Mayflower 2020. It's very easy to apply. We have an application guidance link here on this slide, and we have the International Office ready to help international students apply. There's also a phone number and the website details here. We will be very happy to hear from you by email. My email address is here and my colleague's address is below. Please don't hesitate to drop us a line and get in touch, and we can tell you anything else that you need to know about the course.